asida, ya vamos durama. Ocho logo asida, ya vamos durama. Ocho logo asida, ya vamos durama. Ocho logo asida, ya vamos durama. Oga pake wadada, kaba warane, lusandi lewa tudeye. Ocho logo asida, ya vamos durama. 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 Oga pake wadada, kaba warane, lusandi lewa tudeye. Lolo kuchi, Abu Mama, lihat ya hisania, sakayale, wamzungarina. Mira banganya, bule bana mira banita bimeti wonga. Bule bana mira mama mira lambo. Bule bana bimeti puta mira banganya. Kunigi batiole, kunigi batiole, kunigi batiole, kunigi batiole. Balabada matiolago, balabada matiolago, balabada matiolago. Kunigi batiole. Wabina hati upunye ni dumi. Balabati hati lagu, kunigi bati hati wei, ragu bati silagu.
If you're ready, blow the whistle if you're ready. When you're ready, tell me you're ready. When you're ready, tell me you're ready. When you're ready, ring the bell if you're ready. Shoot the gun if you're ready. When you're ready, some people like basketball, some people like football. Some people like volleyball. Some people like cycling. Raise your hand if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready. When you're ready, tell me you're ready. When you're ready, tell me you're ready. When you're ready, blow the whistle if you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. When you're ready. This is your full sound. if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow your whistle if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready when you're ready. Some people like baseball. Some people like softball. Some people like horse racing. Some people like golf. Raise your hand if you're ready. Or blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready when you're ready. Yeah, yeah. Spin the coin if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready when you're ready.
Yes. We to go in your house soon, Greg, yeah? We to go in your house, Dan Greg, and a ballast now, pain, How soon, love a ballast. Good night, everybody. Good night. It's going to be a short show tonight. I'm joined here by the youngest MC in the world. And we have Coach Mobile, high performance coach for Stan Creek District, also from Saraway. I'm here tonight for a special night. Good night, everybody. Good night, Paki.
Good night.
Yeah. 1, 2, check. Check 1, 2, put up my mic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How about you, Pak? Good?
Yeah.
You want mobile on the back?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah. How about your mic? Mobile?
Rastafari.
Alright, good. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say good night. We're here for a special occasion. Let me move that thing in there on my face. They can't see my face. Let me move flying face for them. But give us some thoughts to happen over the weekend if we pack it, please.
Well, over the weekend, we say, me have got week number 9, play Friday and Saturday. Friday game for one Impact, knock out YG, 5-1. YG, knock out Impact, sorry guys. YG knock out Impact, 5-1.
Well, that's it for the inter-district also.
Second game Friday, Conquerors and RC, 3-3.
Wow.
Then, Friday, my guy. Then Saturday, game 1, Beaton Naka for Warriors, 5-0, and in second game, close the week 9 on Saturday. You see, Wakerale, Naka, Placencia, 5-2.
That's a blowout too.
Yes, Lone have goal this week, number 9.
Yeah.
And moving on to the National Bank of the League Inter-District. We got Conquer advanced to the top 4. They win Napolis in a penalty shootout. So kudos to Conquerors, like big victory.
Yeah, big victory to our homeboys, Conquerors.
They're going in the top 4. They are playing the team for Orinchua for the top 4. Then Legend have Terror Squad.
Alright. I think that this was that's for right now, and congratulations to this new coach of the national team. Charlie Slusher is the new coach of the national team.
Then tomorrow Billy is
CONCACAF inside the FFB Stadium.
Yes, game 1 tomorrow.
Okay, good. I guess we're going to stop there with all the stats, ladies and gentlemen. So, what we're here for tonight, man, we're here. We want you guys, everybody right now, especially football players, to pledge something to the account numbers for Leopold Vasquez and Slime. You know, Emmanuel, you guys could, on the screen right now, you have the account number at the bottom of the screen for Leo and one for Slime. Okay, so you guys could see there on the right, and right in the middle of the screen, right by mobile, and one by my computer. You see, you know, what else we're here for. Look, this could happen to anybody, and you know, everybody watch our broadcast all the time, but we can't just, anybody get in a situation to make we help out one another. Football players, anytime they come on, everybody is thousands of people on the live, and the same thousands of people that's on the live, You know, we always the run joke, always the talk a whole lot of crazy stuff, which is good. I don't have no problem with that because everybody been respectable. But now we need help. We need help for two of our young up and coming stars, Leopold Vasquez and Slime Emmanuel, that needs your help. Share this live, so if you want to pledge something to their account, just say you're going to pledge because we need this assistance. So all my friends out there too, these young boys, they cut off one of the man's foot, he lose one, he lost his left foot, and right now Leopold was in bad shape. I haven't checked up on Leopold in a while, and you could see him right there in the hospital bed, all bandage up and hurt. That's what that's what I say for right now. I mean, we could share this live because we need help for these guys. Over.
Oh, and we forgot to mention Rishan too. We try to get the things about was kind of late, and so remember Rishan, few of the guys that actually cheering. I have to remember them because cheering play by Sarowi, FC, Sarowi, Bullets, Sarowi, Yamaha, and so yeah, forgot them guys. They need your help, and we need to get their help. So we'll try to raise some funds. We have to look at the food like everybody. Announce the days and pass it. Everybody chip in and try to help because especially when it's time. I need a first aid leg to try to move up, right? I can't run. Yeah, no, this area is alright. I think they kind of be expensive, so we need to let them in so you can move up and at least, down Balogo. I will talk to the just go and put on the boots there, and I think I can't play so many boots as I know, but I can't so many boots to speak on my own. So,
Yeah.
the man love to give me up with, right? That time you price boots there. Right, if you got that, I will go with the regulate that. I don't know the way that what the first step up because kind of go for how we have performance in 15, 16 hours of the week. But then like always some for the one I'm really general, decide that they go to Saudi again, not very fast up. So go for everybody support us, right? Try to get the man to get that first step man start moving and show the man so not to follow low, not to look low. So that's one of the things where we're going to influence there. I think we're doing something, I'm not sure, but we'll try to get that.
Yeah, no, we need somebody. So how much are pledge members? Or you say I or no, that these guys need our help. And I say right now how disappointed this is so far. It's just we have thousands of football players in this town, in our villages, and nobody right now cannot say they're going to pledge something to help. Anything will help. $1 or $5 could help Liston and Leo get back to at least sensible way of life, And come on, just share this live right now to all our followers, all our viewers. Share it because it's needed. Paki, what are you going to say about this, man?
Well, you feel sad?
Sad day, I can tell you.
Nah, sad day today.
Yeah, today is a sad day, ladies and gentlemen, for these young men, man. I don't like doing these type of shows because this is what we love more, but we love this sport, we love the sport of football.
The bad part about this thing like that, this month I kind of feel down with what myself, my shoulder and three times palm of my hand and tight up because the accident with Looking Bird, right? Looking Bird used to play Sarawito, and when I think happened, I feel really sad, and then look around, the next one, and say why you want to mandate and I had to cry. Because I can see the man front of it, one guy, cool guy, always got a little smile when they play. So I took up the man front, all care of the Sarawito workout, and the man, say nothing, just do workout, and when they play game, just play game, and just smile, and really touchable. When the man passed away, then after that, Slime somewhere and here and you guys will think and people will go and start up to the doing sorrow. And touring getting accident again, Slime with the foot up, you don't need to get washed up. Then I'm looking for the Mockingbird whip. You know, I kind of miss it. I kind of really miss it like this. And next one when I investigate when Mockingbird whip, Mockingbird whip was there one last night. We try and get shot three times, and then start going and stuff like that. You know, all of the guys are okay for Sarah. We said so you don't really feel sad when I just, you know, reflect back and say, man, watch I for my guys and look there. I mean, like, you know, at least I may have, and then we shot them and tell me that week before we get shot. You know, I mean, when the man made the squat front of me, and I get back, so I ready, I come, right? So I really have to laugh because this one months the man couldn't really squat the whole man will show me and I said, what the man can't get back. So figure out me I got a real strong team and then later on. But you know, with the incident there, the team will get more stronger now because we're more united, because we realize that, you know, things could happen to any one of us. Right? Any one of us things could happen to. And you know, so we're going to try to do some real spawning by selling barbecue that game, some of the guys going to go up there, get the man to go that game, you know, and so I just showed the love, man. So I had a slightly meeting with some of the guys there from Sarawee. So we tried to set up a meeting so to bring the rest of the guys there and what to talk about how forward, you know, we got a real spawning with the try to go and win that 3 grand around the cup and then put that towards and then we will probably go for the next. And that's sort of what we're on building process now. You know, everything come in the sky, so hopeful that everybody I think it's serious and got it, you know.
Yeah, I hope you could hear it now, Mr. Francis Roches. Yeah, with the right here tonight, we'll try to get some money for make we help Leo and Slime, you know. 2 footballers, 2 young men, 2 promising young men in the sport. You know, I don't know, man, how these guys, thank God they survived, man, because I know how that feel actually. You know, these guys are accident victims that need your help. They really need your support. So we need to help these guys right now. So lend your support, you know, or we go. I look like this thing here, and we waited till all the news done. We waited till, you know, and I know there's a lot of people on this live right now, and nobody, you know. Mr. Roches, the bank account number is right there on the screen, man. It is right there on the screen. Who will receive the money? They will receive the money straight to their account. All right. They will receive. Let me put it a little bit bigger on the screen so you could see it. All right. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, Paki. Make them know where they go on. Yeah, those. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. The boy need help, bro. The boy need help. Leon Slap. I don't like to see. Bring me down, I don't like it because it can happen for anybody.
Yeah, so all we ask for the general support, right? And there are no guys who are really take on the money, take the money because of it and just spend like they crazy. You know, I know the guys, especially Slime, you know, man have a nice job at CCBL, now he can work on just to get promoted to a nice position there. And now the man have to like, but I guess when he get back his specific legs, you have to move wrong, you have to do things and you know, get back in the live stream things. So I really ask general support, right? And with the love of it, and like I said, we have the Sarawee FC, so we name Slime. So it'll be Sarawee FC Slime because everything of the young man, alright? So we have to kindly support us. Right, and we have teams who don't pledge at certain teams don't got barbecue every so often, so we take turn by turn in barbecue, right? And we have to support and so we're getting guys going and making things happy again. And, you know, one love.
So I know about go start those barbecues here this weekend or
yeah, we're still work on it because the Ryder Cup the thing will just come up.
Ryder Cup, they are not
Ryder Cup
the 5th or the 4th?
The 4th. right? Sunday.
Oh, that this Sunday coming
This
up.
Sunday coming up, right? So now they want shit things when I had meeting Wednesday and then decide, well, okay, make it off right quick, kind of really hectic because you have the mayor's cup to go on, and I mean the discussing at the meeting where we had Wednesday that this is really hectic because you have the mayor's cup going on, the Ryder Cup want to start, and we need to sit down at the confusion with the cards right there because the first division, right, along with the Mayor's Cup and then Ryder Cup, 3 years, then supposed to sit down and say, oh, okay, this is how I handle it, right, and then sort of one up.
And the semi-pro the begin back as well
yes,
too.
and semi-pro, so everything may tie in that ballman play all year round, right, and everybody may enjoy it, right, but it's so unfortunate that, we not organize and then we have, two competitions going at the same time, but I guess next year, be different because we'll try to share the love and the understanding. So hopefully that next year we got the first division, and then we got Mayor's Cup right after, and then we got Roger Ferguson Cup right after, and you're in the year and semi-pro start and semi-pro and in. So everything will work for the better.
But all this thing has to do with personalities and football
organization
and organizations. That's all that we have to do with it. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're on trying to get some funds for Leon Slime. And one thing you have to understand is we're not here for bash nobody. We're not here for we are here to help. And every time you see. These are tangible things I'm talking about. We expect a lot of football players to be on this live right now, sharing this live to make us say, but again, it is what it is, man. It is what it is.
But like I said, I think right now because this thing command sudden, like the whole of this month was a really sad month if you don't really get strong and give good thought and blessing about exactly what happened for this month, but so coming on tonight, and I think everybody may expect that to be on tonight, but whosoever they're wrong and they hear, just share the words, right? Share the good words, right? And next time, we look forward for it, right? So we look forward, right, for your support, and so whenever we come on the next time, that hey. And we'll give you an update about exactly what you want. So don't knock out on yourself. Right, just support. Show the love.
Yeah. Well, at the same time, look, anybody could be in this position, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody could be in this position. So, just help out Slime and Leon. You know what? I can't, like, and I couldn't comprehend or try to live with 1 foot, my brother. To live with 1 foot is something I don't know if I survive that, but with a lead assistance, the lead assistance.
Just help out the 2 football player. At least anything, any donation or
That's
what
true.
shilling, what dollar, what
Yeah.
$2,
Exactly.
anything.
Exactly. Well, I will deposit tomorrow. I will definitely
I
deposit.
say one full basket.
One basket, one cocoa full of basket, right? So.
But and you mean that picture too because you don't tell the lad that you're the Brazilian. You're going home, or you're a Brazilian anyway. So So you mean I say one the work on I'm happy.
Yeah, it was a deadly month, man.
Yeah,
To tell her, it was a deadly month. It was a deadly month.
Most esteemed colleague, right? Caught in accident when I die in accident.
Yeah, man.
I can see the man neck wrap up and
Why? Huh?
Yeah. This is a really.
It could happen to anybody. Happened to me before. Happened to me before, ladies and gentlemen. I could tell you it happened to anybody. So Philip Augustus, hopefully they get this help they need. And thank you very much. He's praying you get the help they need, right? Thanks for that encouraging words there, Philip Augustus. That is so nice. Even the nice kind words that these guys need it right now. Stay strong, things like that. These guys want to hear. It's not easy. It's not an easy road. But tell you, it's not. Yeah. Wow, this is so sad though.
More than sad.
This is so sad. I could tell her right now. Why? You don't want to get hurt.
Yeah, you have to be
Anytime they team they want to, they do anything forget you. Anything your team they get forget you there. You know what I mean? They got some people who already assisted for behind the scenes. You know, they don't want to name call. That is nice of them. That is good. You know, we're trying to help the young man. This is enough we that's how we left the why? Like where Paki said, why it's a sad night.
Boy, that was sad night. That was sad month, right? And you gotta be strong, right? Especially
you have to be strong, and this cycle driver who listen. Whatever I tell you, cycle they're not for play with. Gonna drive safe. Cycle when on the day I tongue on the water overtake. On the down there I tongue on the slow down. The cycle they're not like bike. On take care. All driver who drive cycle or vehicle on take care. Worse when on go for the highway. On not the race in your tongue. That's my advice for all cycle driver out there.
Especially under the influence.
I always said it before. Do not drink and drive, ladies and gentlemen. No drink and drive and no feel like one to drink and on could drive better. No, that's not the case. That's not the case, not at all. So yeah, that's a very good.
Once you drink, once you wet and you drive, it can work.
All of a sudden you feel invincible.
Yeah, all of a
Once
sudden.
you high, you know what I remember this for though? Once you high and you think you are go home, drink a two cool water for cool down your head.
Or where do you drink and say, boy, you know what I'm right now? I intoxicated, right? And anything will trigger me to make I do something, right? What thing? So why you know that? Intoxicated, slow down. Slow down, intoxicated.
But the youngest MC could tell you know, that he drive motorcycle too.
Me drive. One day me crash. Right by Bengal Chap Bridge. I'm not telling no lie.
How that me feel, right?
Feel rough?
Yeah.
Me get scrape up, but me not get really bad hurt.
You know me drink and drive, too?
No what?
How boy they want to drink and drive there?
Well, put anything in the bank account.
Yes. Because yeah, like I said before, man, for me that was sad month. I know the month to be in a sad month because most of the guy coach there already and all of them play with Saru FC, right? So when they decided that I never win at the Mayor's Cup. Everybody decided to win at the Robert Ferguson Cup, and everybody decided, "Boy, you know what happened? Make a come home, make a put back the squad together, right?" And I said, well, and then they bug me, like I want to say no because, but like for some reason, like, you know, then they bug me, I know, you know, that like I have to do it, no, I really have to do it, right? You know, so, you know, I'm reflecting, like I said, reflecting back on former guys, they were really get messed up and, you know, all of this stuff, it's nothing but love. Right, Ida?
And they were two all the way, Well, you want young SMC. Well, I think, I mean, it is so, it's discouraging, but it is what it is, and hey, we have to move on, you know, moving on is moving on. What can we say, right? You know, what can we say? So at this juncture now, I want to give you guys the final word, and again, still take a note at the account number for Leon and Slime, and you know, donate what you can, ladies and gentlemen. Donate what you can. Paki?
Well, may that's what I tell you. Take care of the road, be safe, God bless.
Well, fellas, like Paki said, take care on the road. When they drive and think that maybe cycle when they drive and sometimes some of them fly past. Man, I'm a leave by them too, like, and they wave me to like, We go with all of the speed, I tell myself, right? We go with all of the speed. You the hustle, but take your time and roll, boss, because you suddenly bike they want to ride, especially the Chinaman bike.
The cycle.
They think they're real flimsy, right? So you have better bike, when I say in terms strength, they're doing the same thing too, you know, right?
And
in a strength like Honda and
Lisa and
Yamaha, you know, then they make out a more durable material. But then the motorcycle is still wrong. Then the Chinaman thing, why?
once you drive and you end up like accident, they think they got no production for.
Yeah.
They think they like vehicle, but they cycle they don't got nothing. Words. So driver like wear helmet.
Yes. You know, statistics have shown that 4 out of 5 people catching accident, the one with dead and the one who don't have no helmet.
What?
That's statistic. 4 out of 5 survive. The fifth one died because they got helmet.
I never want to say before we leave.
Well, again, ladies and gentlemen, man, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it locked on 91.7 FM. We enjoy your company nonetheless, and we're trying to do something for these two guys. They really need our help, man. They're Greek Legion, no footballer. You know, I can't stand for sitting here, boys. I feel so sad. We'll see what we could do on our end, you know. But thanks again for tuning in, and keep it locked on 91.7 FM, DYFA Garifuna radio station.
Adios. Bye. Don't say. Peace. Aye.
Well, no, I can't DJ now. I mean, I confused and all. I couldn't believe that we only raised $5 tonight.
Still better than nothing.
Still better than nothing.
1 coupon for the basket.
Yeah, exactly.
250 each.
Correct. Well, it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you next time. Till next time, we hear Coach Mobile and the youngest MC in the world.
Look ready when you're ready.